Let's talk about some bird noises today. Okay, so birds sing. We've all seen that in some movies where the birds sing a song, so that's literally what they do in English. They also make short sounds called chirp. Depending on the bird, they can also caw or squawk. Now, I'm not going to imitate these sounds for you. Just go online, ask a search engine something, and then you can listen to these noises. I think it also depends on the type of bird and which sound they make. So, good luck. And ducks quack, by the way. So there you go. There's another word for you.